Hado Donkam don jingīakren ru halor kikenta pelip boarding la pentip menteri berekmi yakatanat pynmih boarding ke sarkar jela ueti Mondal sakilat pathai kubor. Ulaong baka jela Meghalaya ka Donkam shibon ki projek pynmih boarding namar ka jing dawa ka bon henry ka jing pynmih pat kaduna. Ulaong ru baka don ka jing persang bansnai ka projek pynmih boarding bathamai hakawa umyam.
So far till now nothing like that, but maybe depending on the weather condition. Till now we have not discussed about load shedding. We are self-sufficient, is sufficient water is there. We are better positioned this time. MOUs are basically not for power purchase or power regulating. MOUs are to find ways and means how we can explore more possibility of having more power projects. And there is a buzzword in the country and world over is that PSP, that palm storage projects. So we employed these people to help us identify the rivers or basins which will be actually fruitful for such type of projects, and run of the river projects also, and also helping us in power distribution system and transmission system on technical lines. It is something like that managerial technical know-how. No, as of now we are not considering, though it is actually feasible. Kopili Dam, as of now it is okay. So see, power availability depends on how our own projects are performing, and at the same time the central public sector units also, their projects, how they are working also. If there is again shutdown, this one, that one, because of some problem, then we will be having problems. If it continues like that, we will be in a far more better position than last year. See, actually Kyrwoh stage 1, originally the MOU was signed by one independent power producers, and they wanted a particular height of the dam. But then due to some reasons, one of the reasons was that atomic energy objected the height of the dam because that may flood the uranium minings and all these things. So the dam height came down, and ultimately it became non-feasible as per the cost-benefit ratio is concerned. So ultimately they don't want to go ahead with that project, and we have scrapped that project. Some other projects are there like Waumiyam down below. There we are working vigorously. Even I had a series of meetings with local MLAs and all the leaders also. But somehow we are not able to convince one group of people who don't want to give land. Still we are working our way out. This project has been given to NEPCO, and we feel that if the project can be implemented, it will be a great help for the state also, as we will get around 12% of free power and 1% for local area development. See, the load is increasing every month, every year, but our generation somehow became stagnant. We are not able to get our generation because lots of factors are involving. There are many projects are there, but economically not viable. Whatever the requirement, it is more than that. So due to that, our generation capacity is not increased. That's why we got to look very judiciously to see that some more power projects are coming in the state to mitigate our shortage of power supply. We are having so many rivers into our portfolio, but so far, because of some reason or other, we are not able to do it. Say we wanted to go for some small power projects, okay, mini hydel power projects, where Government of India earlier was giving a big subsidy, and it was a great help also. But suddenly the Government of India, Ministry of Power, has withdrawn that subsidy. So we are vigorously working to get that subsidy, and Honorable Minister has promised us that that same subsidy will be they will be bringing it back. So let us see.